Audio 3.1. 1,
A great book.
2,
A funny film.
3,
A friendly dog.
4,
A hard job.
5,
A clever woman.
6.
A lovely city.
Audio 3.2.
A man. Men. A woman. Women. A person. People. A child. Children.
Audio 3.3. 1,
Anthony's my neighbour. He's got a flat in my building. He's a waiter in an Italian restaurant. He's a friendly man and he's got a nice cat. His name's Mr. Muffin.
2,
Mr. and Mrs. Thompson are my neighbours. They're from New Zealand and they're lovely people. Mr. Thompson is a teacher in a big school and Mrs. Thompson is a doctor. They've got 4 children and 2 dogs.
Audio 3.4.
70% of people in the world have got a mobile phone. 9% of people in the world have got a car. 20% of people in the world have got a TV. 30% of people in the world have got a bank account. 2% of people in the world have got a pet. 40% of people in the world have got a bicycle.
Audio 3.5. 1,
30% of people in the world have got a bank account.
2,
1 in 5 people in the world has got a TV.
3,
60% of people in the world haven't got a bicycle.
4,
91% of people in the world haven't got a car.
Audio 3.6. 1,
Have you got a bicycle?
Yes, I have.
2,
Have you got a car?
No, I haven't.
3,
Has your best friend got a pet?
No, he hasn't.
Audio 3.7. 1,
Have you got a pet?
No, I haven't. And you?
Yes, I have. I've got a dog.
2,
Has your best friend got a mobile phone?
Yes, he has.
3,
Has she got a car?
No, she hasn't. She's got a bicycle.
Audio 3.8.
Have you got a car?
No, I haven't. And you?
Yes, I have. I've got a Mercedes.
Audio 3.9.
Old, new, happy, sad, good, bad, big, small, old, young, rich, poor, expensive, cheap, cold, hot.
Audio 3.10. 1,
Have you got a laptop?
No, I haven't. And you?
Yes, I have.
Is it a new laptop?
No, it's 3 years old.
2,
Have you got a bicycle?
Yes, I do.
Is it an expensive bicycle?
Yes, it is.
3,
Have you got a pet?
No, I haven't. And you?
I've got a cat.
Is it old?
No, it's only 2.
Audio 3.11.
Have you got a pet?
No, I haven't. And you?
I've got a cat.
Is it old?
No, it's only 2.
Audio 3.12. 1,
Derek is Anna's father, and Carol is her mother.
2,
Charlie and Anna are husband and wife.
3,
Andy and Anna are brother and sister.
4,
Olivia is Charlie and Anna's daughter, and Fergus is their son.
5,
Derek and Carol are Fergus, Olivia and Katie's grandparents.
Audio 3.13. 1,
Grandfather. Grandmother. Grandparents.
2,
Father, mother, parents.
3,
Son. Daughter. Children.
4,
Brother, sister.
5,
Husband. Wife.
Audio 3.14.
It's a nice family photo.
Yes, it is. So, is he the father?
Yes, and the woman next to him is his wife.
I see. And these two are their children?
Yes, the girl is their daughter and the boy is her brother.
We've got one boy and one girl in our family too.
Ah, but they've got another son, Marcus. He's at university.
Audio 3.15.
I, my, you, your, he, his, she, her, it, its, we, our, they, their.
Audio 3.16. 1,
Aideen is my brother's wife.
2,
Marichka and Mikolai's daughter is 10.
3,
My husband's name is Shuang.
4,
This is Xavier and Carmen's son, Cristobal.
Audio 3.17.
Have you got any brothers and sisters?
Yes, I've got 2 sisters,
What are their names?
Agneta and Inga. Agneta is 26 and Inga's 21.
Oh, what are their jobs?
Well, Agneta's got a job in a bank and Inga's a student.
Are they married?
Inga isn't married, but Agneta is. Her husband's an engineer.
Audio 3.18. 1,
My mother's car is very old.
2,
Frank's a teacher.
3,
My grandfather's rich.
4,
Sarah's got a friendly dog.
Audio 3.19.
Carlo is my friend. He's an engineer. He's got a good job with a car company, Fiat. He's married and he's got a daughter.
Audio 3.20.
Nicole's our neighbour. She's got 2 young children, a boy and a girl. The girl's name is Ivy, and she's got many friends in the building. The boy's name is Robert. He's got a pet dog called Junior. Tony is Nicole's husband. He's got a job in the school next to our building.
Audio 3.21. 1,
After you.
Oh, thanks.
2,
A tissue!
Bless you.
3,
Tea?
Yes, please.
4,
Thanks very much.
You're welcome.
5,
Excuse me, that's my seat.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
6,
Excuse me, where's the toilet?
Sorry, I don't know.
7,
Can I sit here?
Yes, of course.
8,
Sorry I'm late.
That's okay. Don't worry.
Audio 3.22.
Excuse me, can I sit here?
Yes, of course.
Audio 3.23. 1,
Oh, sorry.
2,
Thank you very much.
3,
Sorry I'm late.
4,
Can I sit here?
Audio 3.24. 1,
Stefan Hell's a clever man.
2,
Birdman's a funny film.
3,
Vienna's a nice city.
4,
My neighbours are lovely people.
5,
Morocco's a friendly country.
6,
Is teaching a hard job?
Audio 3.25. 1,
Have you and Fred got pets?
No, we haven't. But my mother's got 9 cats.
9? Has she got a big house?
No, she hasn't. It's a small house, but it's got a garden.
2,
Have your parents got a car?
No, they haven't. We haven't got cars in our family. I haven't got a car, my brother hasn't got a car, and my parents haven't got a car.
What transport have you got?
We've got bicycles.
Audio 3.26.
Our house is at number 36 Judson Street. We've got neighbours at number 34 and number 38. Our neighbours at 34 are called Linda and Charlie. Charlie's a waiter in a restaurant. Linda's a nurse, but she's at home now because they've got 2 young children. They've got a dog too, Benji. Our neighbours at 38 are university students. 6 people live in the house, but they haven't got any pets. They love our street and they're very friendly.